Good evening. Today is April 20, 2024 Saturday, and here are the 7 p.m. STL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SL Shore 3 7 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for April 20, 2024 Saturday. Here are the SL Shore 3 7 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Saturday, April 20, 2024. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of April 20, 2024 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.